Back to Amethyst Adventures. If you're looking for inspiration in your home, the Home Decor Luxe Club. Honey, we are getting ready to turn it out. Every Saturday this month, we are going to be showcasing our skills, decorating ideas, DIYs, shop with me's, hauls, tablescapes, cooking, you name it, we do it. Our Vlogust collab, BlingontheFall. You've reached the right place, the right collab, and the right design squad, baby, because we gonna bring it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Hey, let's go check out what they have in Home Goods. These are nice. $129 each. So, not cheap. $9.99. Harvest and pumpkin, $14.99. Bunches of eucalyptus, which I think they're kind of small. $16.99. These beautiful glass pumpkins, $12.99. Not bad at all. And the 3 pumpkin stack is $29.99. This is nice and copper. Lantern here, $14.99. $19.99 for the wrought iron lantern.
Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
And $14.99 as well. Yes, the pinks are very pretty. We have a bunch of blues and greens, but I'm not really seeing the color that I want. Now look at this picture in brass. This here, $80. I always feel that I sound so weird when I'm doing voiceovers, but it was so incredibly loud in the store between the music, the overhead speakers, people talking all around me. There was just so much going on, so I did have to turn down the volume. So just enjoy the music. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing and try to flip it over and let you see the prices. Most of the pumpkins, the glass ones, $12.99 for the smaller ones, $14.99 for the larger. That 3 pumpkin stack was $24.99, and this plate that I love, I believe, was $19.99. The prices are good, not bad at all. Candy corn lane, and these are different type of garlands for $14.99. Oh my God. Look at the skull and crossbow with the bling. Blinged out for $12.99. Now I think I've gotten to the right aisle. This says gather together. And the price is $19.99. Very beautiful beading on that. Just not the right color for me. These green ones, embroidered, also very pretty for $25. But again, not quite what I'm looking for.
Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money.
Yes, thank you. I like this lumbar pillow, $30, which is kind of pricey, but I do love that.
Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights, out of sight. Long weave, sold in, say it again, sold in. Make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, go ahead.
Love that. They have some really beautiful pillows, and the prices aren't bad. That incorporates my grays and my beiges. That's also a $30 pillow. $25 on that one. Also very pretty. I was looking for this lavender in the spring. How gag-worthy is that? And this one, luxury faux fur. Gosh, how beautiful is that? Of course, there's only one. Oh, there's some more down here. Now, let's see the price of these. $10 a piece. Oh my God, they're nice, but not $40 nice. Here's some more in the owl for $12.99 and little ghosts. And spiders. I want to share with you a haul that I did for the fall season, and I'll go through each item so you can see. I have everything laid out. Some things I bought from Burlington, Home Goods, Goodwill, and Salvation Army. So let me show you what I bought. First of all, I have these beautiful throws, faux rabbit fur with the metallic. They were $14.99 each, and I hope that you can make out this texture with the metallic threading running through it. Very pretty. And those, I bought 2 of those from Burlington. Then from Home Goods, I have this faux fur throw. that I got for $25, and this is a very light lavender tone, and I hope you can make that out. Next, I bought these beautiful, couldn't resist them, pumpkin pillows from Home Goods, and I also bought some others. I'm doing a white and silver gold combination in my formal living room for fall. Next, we recently took a little trip to the Mystic Seaport in Connecticut, and I found this great little store called Mystic Knotworks, and there is their info. So we are here in Mystic, Connecticut, and I'm watching this young lady. What's her name, dear?
Cynthia.
Cynthia, and she is making this beautiful knot rug. Do you see this? Absolutely beautiful rug. She's having a little trouble with it. She's fighting it now.
Twisted.
But she is straightening that out, and I think she's got it. A piece of fabric, and I believe it is a curtain valance, but I intend to use this as a table runner. Very pretty. $3.99. The next item that I got from Goodwill as well in Connecticut. Well, I did go thrifting in Connecticut, couldn't resist. These are dining chair slip covers, and I believe it's 5 pieces. Inside, I'm hoping that there are in a nice off-white, and for that, $4.99. I also picked up some fall napkins, very pretty pattern, and fall colors. Those were $3.99. I picked up a set of beautiful bone white placemats, and those were $4.99 as well. 4 or 5 pieces. The piece that is the stone, Sonny. Yes! This beautiful wooden vessel. Oh my God. Do you see the price on that? Was $5.99 at the Goodwill. And it was not Mystic. I believe the town was called Raton. But absolutely beautiful. And I hope that you can make that out. The woven sides, and just a beautiful piece. Isn't that pretty? Also in Raton, this was at the Salvation Army, and this was the only thing I found for $5.99. I have some fall leaves, ceramic plates, 3 different colors, and I got those for $1.99. Mind you, all yellow tags were half price, so yeah. This little jar here, I like the blue and white chinoiserie, and I want to be ready for the next chinoiserie sheet challenge. So yeah, I got that for 99 cents, and again, half off that. These are actually martini glass candle holders, but I love that blue, and I'm going to use those as glasses on my table. I love these. 99 cents and half off that, so I got those for 50 cents, and you can't beat that. Aren't those pretty? The next item I picked up was this little teapot, and I love that. Isn't that so super cute? It was originally from Pier 1, and the price at Goodwill was $2.99. And last but not least, I picked up this little bird cage. I loved it. $1.99 at Goodwill. Super cute. And not sure what I'm going to display in it, but I think it's a very versatile piece. So that is my haul for fall. I hope this video gave you inspiration for updating your fall home decor. So stick with me to see where I use all of these items and how I use them to decorate my home. Thank you once again for watching. All the members of the Home Decor Luxe Club will be linked in the description box below. Please stop by and show them some love.